My name is Christy and I run a travel blog called Christy Wanders, where I visit national parks, landmarks, family-friendly tourist attractions, ghost towns, and caves. This time around, my friend Melissa and I decided to take a 2-hour ghost adventure tour and spend the night at the haunted RMS Queen Mary in Long Beach, California. In this video, we'll take you along with us as we explore the ship. Upon arrival to the Queen Mary around 2 p.m., we were able to check in early. We walked down a long hallway with wooden walls. Once we got to our room contained a mermaid on the wall, lots of mirrors, complimentary bottles of water, and a nice sized bathroom with an actual full bathtub. I watch a lot of cruise vloggers, and in today's ships you don't really see that as much. It's usually just like a stand-up shower. The room was equipped with DirecTV, so we were able to catch some Food Network shows during our visit. Our Queen Mary adventure was awesome. I got the room for free using my Amex Platinum points. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.